Hi guys, I'm Nelmarx Roblox and I'm playing MM2 and Murder Mystery 2. And oh my gosh, she is slaying guys. Sino shoot niya? Ayan. Bitch. GG. Guys, ayan. When she is sheriff. And I'm going to the next map. Yeah. Hey guys. Uy, may water balloon tayo. Batuin natin itong bacon. Aha. I'm so sorry, bacon. Dito, and ayan. Tick. Okay, I'm innocent. And get coin lang tayo. La. Oops. Oh my gosh. She is murder. Oh my gosh, guy. Wag ka ba nakibay? Hi, I don't forgetting you. Ay, sorry but I'm wrong grammar. She is throwing guys. Kaya tatakbo tayo dito. Ang dami natin kasama. Ayan, nagbabarilan sila dun. Kaya dito muna tayo guys. Magkukulit lang tayo ng coin. Oh my gosh, napatay yung sheriff. Wait, she is camping or not? Ay, napatay tayo, sayang. Sumulpot siya bigla, guys. And I expectating kung paano sila mag-play. Dito tayo. Oh, it's Slay Ava. Oh my gosh. She is slaying guys. Oh. Dito tayo manonood. Ayan. Ito-throwing siya. Nakuha niya ba yung gun? Ayan. Oh my gosh. Where's the murder? Ito, sheriff. Ay, hero. Perfect color from hero siya guys. Daming coin doon. Uy, sayang. GG. Mansion 2 again. Ow! Oh. Goodbye, girl. Back. I'm innocent again. Suspicious. Suspicious to guys. Eto guys, ayun. Ay hindi, where's the murder? Eto. Nasa loob. Ayun na siya. She is the murderer. Ayun guys, pinatay niya. Kitang-kita ko. Ay, hindi. Siya ulit. Yung naging murder pa kanina. Ayan. Oh my gosh. Slay Ava. Ay, muntikan na ako. I'm hiding in the ref. Goodbye, girl. I'm hiding in refrigerator. Okay. And I shooting agad. Oh, sayang. Matuthrow tayo dyan. Kaya alis tayo. Dito, here in secret. Dito tayo magtatago. Hintayin lang natin. Ay. Piling ko. Ay! Yay! Nathrow ako guys. Oh my gosh! Slay! Slay yung aba niya. Makagano. This is my inventory. Can you give me godly? Or what? Ha. This is my level. The next game is Blade Ball or Brookhaven. Or what? Yan. Ayan na. Loading na yung map. Innocent na naman. I'm hiding at this area. Okay. Pew. Pew. Ha. Sayang. Pew. Who is the murderer? She is the murderer, guys. Help. Help. Oh my gosh. This is Slayer. Ah! Jump in the bathtub. Jump. Oh my gosh. She is. Hala, napatay na tayo. She is stray guys. So, ang cute ng apay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Slay. nag-reset yata yung murder or nag-leave. Ay, hindi. Nag-reset po siya, guys. Dito tayo. Dito, here. Here tayo, guys. May glitch dito eh. Here, guys. Here. Then, and splash. Sheriff. I'm sheriff, guys. I got a sheriff. La, crush pa din kita. Sabi niya. La, feeling ko suspicious to. Oh my gosh. Sabihin nyo na kung sino ang murderer. Ay, hala! Napatay! Wala na. Okay. Say goodbye. Hi, goodbye, guys. Goodbye, guys. I love you all. See you in my next vlog.